Evening. We are back on the Gerdas. This is the biggest and and in fact the heaviest and the most expensive lock I bought while I was in Poland. Looking at that bitting, that doesn't look very challenging. But yeah, this is 88 zlotys, which is around about 18 euros, so about $20, about £15. So this would have been an expensive lock at the hardware store I got it from. So let's see if we can. It's all stainless steel, body and shackle stainless steel, high corrosion brass, nickel plated cylinder, stainless steel springs, and the keys head is ergonomically designed, so that's good. So let's get in that and I cut the plastic soaked. Yeah, forget. Come on, please. So yeah, that doesn't look too difficult. That looks like quite a wide open keyway. Let's get it. So it's even got a picture of a cloud in the sun there. So it's the Resysta, my friend. Well, I'm just gonna adjust the camera. There we go. So right, I'll put that in there. Going for the back. Put that in there. How high is it? Yeah, I'll go for it. I'll go for a raised diamond. Why not? One, nothing on 2, 3 is binding. 3 just left. Dropped everything 5. Okay, we'll come back out here. Nothing on 1, 2 is binding. 2 just clicked. That's 4 is not binding. That's 4 set. 4 set and 5 is now set. Does 1 want to do anything for it? Nothing on 1. Drop something. There we go. And that was fun. But then, like I said, looking at that key, it didn't look as if, it's a drilled, it's a big heavy hunk of stainless steel, and that shackle is quite beefy as well. Move it out the way so you can see how cold it's been in the garage. Oh, please focus. There we go. You can see how cold it is, the condensation. That's why we came out to the garage and into the kitchen. So yeah, it's the Gerda, but it's a beautiful lock. Beautiful. I would use that. If I had a boat, I would use it to tie my boat up. I do.